We're gonna be showing you how to replace a display on the RX7 scooter. So the tools you will need will be a 3mm hex tool and a new display. So begin by removing the plastic covers. This is to expose all the quick connects on the display. So once you have it like this, all you have to do is unplug each connection one by one. This one, just unscrew it and pull. The brake sensor, just pull. The middle wire is the same as the first one, unscrew and pull. And the remaining two cables are just pulling apart, as so. Once you have them all unplugged, grab your 3mm hex tool and you'll remove the two bolts holding the bracket. All you have to do is open the display bracket, remove it, get your new display, and install it onto the handlebars. Then with your 3mm hex tool, all you have to do is tighten those two same bolts at the desired display angle. Tighten these two bolts tight, but not too tight, or you can break the bracket holding the display. And lastly, all you have to do is plug in the connectors. They are color coded, so red with red. The first green wire goes to the multifunction control panel. Plug it in and screw it. And the middle wire goes onto the bottom wire. And the last two wires are color coded, so yellow with yellow and red with red. Once you have them all connected, all you have to do is wrap your wires back again with your plastic cover. And that's it.